Rolling.
Dr. Ballard's interview, Dr. Chen's interview, Dr. Pickering's interview. Take one, marker.
The difference that Zimmer Biomed's made in my life as a surgeon has been on a continuum. I would run into problems that I couldn't solve with the paradigm that I had been taught my whole career.
We were very far along in outpatient joint replacement, but we were stuck. We needed a way to do it better.
Innovation, progress. These are the hallmarks of orthopedic surgery.
If you look 25 years in the past, I think it'd be hard for any of us to predict where we are today.
When we first started doing joint replacements, we saw patients staying in the hospital for 5 days afterwards.
The idea of a hip or a knee replacement going to an outpatient setting was never going to happen.
And then in came robotics and enabling technologies, and I saw this paradigm shift.
Knee operations are shorter. Suddenly these people were going home several hours after their procedure, and I was going to have no window on how they were doing.
There's no way to achieve a successful outpatient surgery setting without adopting technology in a very pragmatic and rational way.
And ZBEdge is the avenue to do that.
ZBEdge became this platform for the entire episode of care that coordinated everything together.
You have objective data that's being collected preoperatively from the MyMobility system, new data being collected from a smart implant.
Zimmer Biomed comes out with Persona IQ, high-fidelity data acquisition that's part of the knee replacement.
I started to think about getting this data in real time, coordinate this with preoperative data on MyMobility, and intraoperative data from ROSA. That is totally opposite of what we were doing before.
We talk about ZBEdge sitting above all of this data, and what it's doing now through artificial intelligence is creating predictive analytic platforms.
Based on all the data we've collected, they can see where they are relative to other patients in the database, and I say, look, you're doing great.
If you told me in 1995 I'd have a program that was going to predict a future problem for a patient, that was science fiction.
Every knee is different because every patient is different.
The way I view these technologies is that they're really enabling tools. All this is really aimed towards being smarter with the way we deliver care. So having ZBEdge prepare my patients beforehand, it helps me monitor my patients after, has allowed me the confidence to make this transition into this ever-changing healthcare environment.
It is all about being smarter, faster, and better. Because we have to be, number one, and now we can be.